Next, we are going to continue this topic, factoring difference of two squares. As you have noticed in our first four examples, it's very easy. We just find what is u and v and then substitute into this form, right? But there are times that you cannot do that immediately. Like for example, in our next examples below. So we need to do something first before we can use this form. And you have to analyze the given expression. Okay, for example, number 5, we're given 3x squared minus 48. So can we apply this immediately? We cannot. Alright, so first we need to apply the very first method of factoring, that is the factoring the GCF. In finding the GCF, we have the common monomial factor or common binomial factor, but this one is finding the common monomial factor, okay, before we can proceed with method number 4. All right, so for this one, the common for the first and second term is 3, because this can be written as 3x squared. 48 can be written as 3 times 16. Okay, so finding the common monomial factor, which is 3. So this is the common, make a parenthesis. Okay, after that, divide this by the common. So we have x squared. Divide this by, the minus, the middle is minus. Divide this whole thing with the common, which is 3. So what is left is 16. Okay, so after that, rewrite this factor. 3 times x squared, 16 can be written as 4 squared. Okay, so now you can find what is your u, what is your v. So here our u is equal to x, here our v is equal to 4. Then follow this form. So our factors therefore are 3. So don't forget to include that one, because this is part of the given. So that's another factor. So 3 times we have x minus 4 times x plus 4. So these are the factors. So 3 is part or one of the factors. Okay, so that's our problem number 5. So next problem is this, number 6. So if you look at number 6, we cannot immediately use this form, right? So we have to rewrite it in such a way that we can apply the other method of factoring. So 45 can be written as 5 times 9, right? So 5 times 9. Okay, after that, find the common monomial factor. So here, 5 is the common monomial factor, so factoring out 5. So we have x squared minus 9. Okay, because we just divide the first term by 5, so x squared. The second term by 5, 9. Then rewrite the second term of our factor. So 9 can be written as 3 squared. So therefore we can now get our u, which is equal to x, then our v equal to 3. So therefore our factors are 5, okay, then we have u, which is x minus 3, and times x plus 3. So these are the factors. Okay, so do you have any question? If you have any question, just leave your message or your question in the comment section below. The 7th one, the next problem, I want you to try it, and let's just check your answer, or check your answer in my other video to just show you the solution for this. Okay, so thank you.